Number 1. Thirunakara Mahadev Temple. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, Thirunakara Mahadev Temple is a resemblance of Kerala style architecture. The establishment of this temple can be dated back to the 16th century when the king of Thekkumur ordered to build this temple. You will find beautiful murals adorned in this temple which display different Hindu traditions. Number 2. Vaikom. Vaikom is one of the popular places around Kottayam mainly due to its variety of tourist attractions. It is home to some of the most scenic backwaters of Kerala like Kumarakom and houses rich historical places and heritage temples that add an old world charm to it. Its serenity and simplistic beauty are unbeatable. Number 3. Ilavizha Ponchira. Surrounded by three hills, Mankono, Kodaya Thurmala and Thonipara, Ilavizha Ponchira is a must-see tourist place in Kottayam. Known for its magnificent views and lush greenery, Ilavizha Ponchira is dotted with exquisite waterfalls and secret alcoves. It is famous among trekkers for its terrain and is a perfect picnic spot, hardly an hour away from the main Kottayam town. Number 4. Nadukani. Nadukani is one of the popular hill stations near Kottayam and is one of the major picnic spots. Nadukani offers wonderful views of the landscapes covered in dense forests, Nilgiri mountains, Muvattupuzha river, mystical valleys and colorful flora. One of the popular tourist places near Kottayam, Nadukani has emerged as the new go-to spot for youngsters and couples looking for refuge. Number 5. Marmala Waterfalls. Located in Iratupeta near Kottayam, Marmala Waterfall is one of the places to visit if you are looking for some adventure. It's difficult to reach the waterfalls as only jeeps can traverse the narrow trodden paths. However, all the hardship is worth the sweat for the adventure-seeking tourists. The difficult journey adds to the overall charm of these mystical waterfalls. Number 6. St. Mary's Orthodox Church. Located about 4 kilometers from the main city in Cheriyapalli, St. Mary's Orthodox Church is one of the popular places to visit in Kottayam. Built in the Portuguese style of architecture, the walls of the church have murals from the Bible. The heartfelt depiction of monumental scenes on the walls will leave you in awe. Number 7. Itumanur Mahadeva Temple. Another tourist place near Kottayam is the Itumanur Mahadeva Temple, which is located at a distance of 10 kilometers only. It is counted among the oldest temples of Kerala, which is why it is revered holy place for the locals. As the name suggests, the temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and if you look closely, you will find many wood carvings and murals that were made in the 16th century. Number 8. Juma Masjid. Located on the banks of the Meenachil River, Juma Masjid in Kottayam is known for its wonderful architecture and beautiful wooden carvings. The influence of the native Kerala architecture can also be seen with its grandeur more like a palace. The mosque is believed to be one of the oldest ones in the country. Number 10. Monroe Lighthouse. Located in Pellam at a distance of around 8 kilometers from Kottayam, Monroe Lighthouse offers a magnificent view of Kottayam, including the backwaters of beautiful Vembanad. Visit this lighthouse for some splendid views of the lush green paddy fields and do carry a camera. The sunset here is magical. You could choose from best hotels near Kottayam for a comfortable stay and make the best of your vacation in Kerala. Number 10. Poonjar Palace. Poonjar Palace is a beautiful palace boasting of elegance and opulence of the royal kingdom that it was once upon a time. Though not very well maintained, it impresses with its intricate wooden carvings. One of the top tourist places in Kottayam, Poonjar Palace is worth a visit. If not for historical importance, then definitely for its architecture. The rich antiques displayed in the exhibition are remarkable. Hope you enjoyed this video. We have taken this initiative to promote the tourism in India and your support motivates us. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family and also press the like button. Do tell us in comment section about your visit to these places and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like this.